Hello to all my friends out there. So I made some chamomile tea, no caffeine. You can drink this stuff all night long, and supposedly it shouldn't bother your insomnia. I was very exhausted, but a long time ago, I used to just work all the time, whether I was exhausted or not. It passes in a couple days and you get a lot done. Okay, so here's what I made. This is going to be some stuffed peppers, but what I did is I covered some textured soy with some hot beef broth. You know, canned beef broth. And I'm going to have a little bit left because this is only a quarter cup. So I want to save it anyway because I want to try stuffing some taquitos with this stuff. And I have some rice, and so this same thing, I'm going to try to stuff some taquitos with some rice and some textured soy. You know, I think we better adjust to maybe eating a little vegetable food because your vegetable food is a lot cheaper and you can get more food, and you can get used to eating it a little bit, so that if you ever had, I have some onion. Let's say if you ever had to eat this stuff, it wouldn't be so bad if you were a little bit used to it. I'm liking this stuff. I'll just put a little bit. Okay, this stuff needs a little salt and pepper. It's going to be horrible without some salt and pepper. So later on tonight, I want to make some taquitos with this stuff. Let me taste this stuff at this point. I'll tell you if it's halfway decent. You can use this textured soy. I bought, this is the better textured soy. I bought at Sprouts. But I have another one that I bought that was really cheap. You'll be surprised, that stuff's not bad. Especially if you're a vegetarian. So okay, so what I did today at 99 cents only, the bell peppers were only $1 for 4, and then I bought 3 pounds, about 3 pounds of apples for $1. So I'm going to go through the apples and take the ones out that need to be eaten right away, and I want to see if I can pack all of this into 2. I think it's going to be. This is only, okay, I have more than enough for a whole bunch of taquitos or anything that I might want to put chicken and rice in. I was mentioning that my mother had bought some textured soy a long time ago, and it was in the garage with the dogs, and I don't remember the dogs touching it. It's no part meat. So your dogs won't be tempted. So now this is my homemade ketchup. Some people put rice on the top, cheese on the top, but I want to make mine kind of like a meatloaf with the, okay, and then the other trick to this is cover it and don't be in a big hurry. Let the bell peppers cook down. It's going to taste much better. I mean, unless you like your bell peppers not as well done. I like mine really well done. So this is a really good cheap meal because you've got your textured soy, which is dirt cheap. You can put anything in this stuff. You can put vegetable broth. So I poured a little water in there, and then I'm going to cover and bake. And I have a whole bunch of ketchup, homemade ketchup left. I can't find the recipe. I'll give it to you in the next video when this comes out of the oven. So keep your eye out for vegetables and fruit marked down. That way, you know, when I was doing the $5 challenge, one thing that was really, really challenging was vegetables and fruit. I think you can freeze bell peppers if you chop them. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.